Greetings and welcome to Old School Slots TV, hand pays and hits. Here we recap all of your favorite classic three-reel slots, giving up the huge wins, jackpots, and hand pays. Cheers!
Let's get my card in there. Nice, 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 nice. More spins, make some more magic. Oh. Yes. Keeps me going. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, 2 more spins. Make it count. All right, gotta take that and run.
Thank you, with security watching. Let's cash it out. A couple more spins. Right, guys, Old School Slots back at Triple Diamond. $10 denomination for the max bet because it's a $5 machine, but let's see if the magic can happen from that Cigars hit from NJ Slot Guy's recommendation. So let's be nice with 10 spins. Here we go. Nice, nice, nice. We'll take it. It's $200. So we'll spin it down another 9 spins and see what happens. Nice. Now we're going to spin it down another 3 spins and take $350 out of the machine. That's how we roll. 2 more spins. That's it. Let's take that ticket and let's call it a day. Cheers. Guys, Old School Slots and a $5 cigar. Let's see if Mr. Cigar can be nice with 10 spins. Here we go. Cherries are good. Nice. Let's do 4 more spins. Be nice, Mr. Cigar. Cheers. Last spin. All right, let's take it.
Thank you for watching and appreciate
That's
your
how we
support.
roll.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the action. And of course, like, comment, and share this video and let me know what you think.
Cheers.
Cheers.